go to school now. Bye-bye.
Bye, honey. See you
This
later.
is lovely. Ow! Oh, God damn it. What should I do now? I fell into an icicle. I can use my phone to call help services. Hello? Hello? I'm stuck in an icicle.
Oh, okay. Sure. We will help you.
Okay, thank you. I don't need help!
Hi.
I need to get up.
I will help you.
Oh my God, yay!
So, I will give you one wish.
Wait, I thought I was a fairy.
No, shut up. I'll give you one wish.
Okay.
What will your one wish be?
I want to be a wolf.
A wolf. Wish granted.
I'm up!
Hello, fam. So you see, like and subscribe. And it's snowing out. That's bad.
What the heck?